Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a customized tabs widget that's closed by default when your page loads in WordPress. This is incredibly useful if you want to keep your page looking clean and organized, allowing visitors to expand only the sections they're interested in rather than overwhelming them with everything at once. Let's start by logging into your WordPress admin dashboard. Once you're in, navigate to the left sidebar and click on Pages. From there, click on Add Page to create a new one. This will open up the page editor, and you'll want to click on Edit with Elementor to access the full visual builder where you'll have more control over your page elements. Now that you're in the Elementor editor, look for the Search Widget section on the left side of your screen. In the search bar, type HTML. This will bring up the HTML widget, which is exactly what we need for this customization. You can either click on it or simply drag it onto your page wherever you'd like the tabs to appear. Once you've added the HTML widget, you'll notice a menu option appear on the left side of your screen with various settings. Look for the section labeled HTML code. This is where the magic happens. Here, you'll need to paste your custom code that defines how your tabs should behave. This code is what tells the tabs to remain closed by default when someone first loads your page rather than having one or more tabs open automatically. After pasting your code, it's time to fine-tune the positioning. Go to the Advanced tab at the top of the left menu. Within this tab, you'll find positioning options that let you control exactly where your widget sits on the page. Look for the Align Self option and click on it. You'll see a drop-down menu with several choices: Start, Center, End, or Stretch. Select whichever option best fits your page layout and design preferences. Start will align it to the beginning, Center will place it in the middle, End will push it to the opposite side, and Stretch will make it span the full width. Finally, once you're satisfied with everything, look to the upper right corner of the page. Here, you'll see two options. Click Publish if you're ready to make the page live immediately, or click Save Draft if you'd like to review it later before publishing. Either way, your customized tabs widget is now set up to stay closed by default when visitors first land on your page. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.